Hello there. Psalm 88 is one of the darkest of the Psalms. It's really one of the saddest of the Psalms. It's desperate prayer to God from the depths of the earth, from the greatest affliction you could possibly have, and yet there is God in the presence of even that darkness. And it's a very disturbing psalm, but it does tell us that it gets very, very dark, very, very, very dark before the sun rises, before the light starts shining upon us. Sometimes that's where we have to be in order for God to find us. And a lot of people don't look at this time of year, Christmas, as a great thing. Some of them are very, very sad, maybe dealing with loss of loved ones that were passed during this time. And that is something we need to be considerate of. People that may not be dealing with the holiday season as cheery and exciting, joyful. Sometimes it's very stressful. Sometimes it's very overwhelming for most people. So we need to remember that and be considerate and pray that God will meet people where they are, no matter how dark the world might be in that place for them. And that's why the scriptures are so real to you when you study them. When you need them, when you always need them, but the Psalms especially, they come to you at different times of your life, different circumstances. There may be moments of praise and high prayer and excitement and exaltation. Psalm 89 is the incomparable God and his covenant to David. It's a very long psalm about the covenant God made with his servant David, talking about the descendants forever being on the throne. That would be Jesus. Psalm 90 is a prayer of Moses in the wilderness. This is a funeral march. It says, before the mountains were born, you gave birth to the earth and the world, from everlasting to everlasting, from vanishing point to vanishing point. All these things. You think about Moses in the wilderness in Psalm 90, dealing with all the people dying, as millions of people, millions of funerals that he had to take care of. Our secret sins in the light of your presence for all of our days have declined your fury. We have finished our years like a sigh. As for the days, our life, they contain 70 years, if not more, 80. And it just goes on. Let your work appear to your servants and your majesty to your children. Here's what I leave you with. Don't waste the lessons that God gives you. Those life lessons, those lessons that you get in the darkness of Psalm 88 when you're dealing with all of that, and even Psalm 89 and 90. Trust in God to be with you, even in the darkest of storms, because he will be. Hold on to his word. Hold on to devotionals like Spurgeon and, Peretti. Frank Peretti's got some pretty good stuff. But Jack Hayford and just others. Max Lucado is a great one. Just hang in there. God bless you during this season, and we will get into Psalm 91, which is one of my favorites, next video. God bless.